Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Kiara. It's me, it's Key, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I tie-dye bleach some clothes. Just went to Target. Since I am skinny petite, I got just a black t-shirt from the Cat and Jack, the boys section. I got it in an extra large for me. I got Cat and Jack shorts for Legend, and then I got him a black shirt as well. So that is going to be our outfit. I'm so excited for this video. Say hi. You not gonna stand? Say hi. Hi. Okay, so it is early in the morning, so the sun is beaming down on me. That's why I look so golden. But I just have a bottle right here. I have tie-dye bottles, but I don't want to put bleach in it because I'm going to be using the tie-dye in a couple of days. So I just got me a water bottle. I drank all the water, and then I poked 3 holes in the top. So I'm going to be pouring bleach in here. I'm going to do I'm going to do the scrunched up method for the shorts, and I think I want to try the spiral method for the shirts, but I'm not sure yet. But I know I'm only gonna do half the shirt and then have the rest of the shirt like sprinkled on. I don't know. I don't want like the whole shirt to be bleached. I just want like the bottom half and then like a gradient effect going up, you know? If you don't know, I'm gonna show you. So just have it in a ball like this, and then I'm just going to be tying rubber bands around it. Okay, so I used 3 rubber bands to do this, so I'm just going to be tying up the rest of them. So this is what I'm talking about. So I only want it to be like scatter bleached like halfway, so I'm going to be scrunching this up, and then the top part I'm just gonna do like little drips. Okay, so this is what it's looking at like so far. Just the bottom half and the little scrunchy knot thing, and then the top part out. Sorry about the lighting. The sun is literally rising and it's beaming and it's getting so hot, but it's about golden, honey. Okay, so I'm gonna start bleaching these. I don't want to put too much on it because I don't want it to be like crazy, but yeah. Okay, so I have this pretty wet. You can kind of see that it's changing colors, but it's not really changing fast because it's off-brand bleach, but we're gonna move on. So for the shirt, I'm just gonna spread the top part out. this and then just sprinkle everything on this first, and then I'm gonna do the drip on top. And then I don't want the bleach to go past the rubber band, so you just have to be careful and kind of like watch what you're doing. Oh no, I already got bleach on the top tab, so I'm gonna flip this over and then just like start sprinkling. Okay, so this is what the front is looking like so far. You can kind of see it's changing colors, and then I'm just going to do the same thing for the back. Okay, so these turn gray. So I guess it's really just depending on what clothes you get it from or like where you get it from. These are turning gray and it's not like turning out how I expected it in my head, so I'm just going to pour some more bleach on it. And this is the back, this is the front. I'm talking about, these are gray. And then it has like one little thing of red right there, so I really don't know how these are gonna turn out. Maybe they took like a gray shirt and then dyed it black, I don't know, but we're gonna find out. Okay, so I think that's enough for that. So I'm just gonna let these sit for a little bit more, untie them, rinse them out, pop them in the wash machine, and then I'm gonna show you guys the final result of them. Hey YouTube, what's up? So I am back with the update on the final result of our shirts. Literally the next day it was freezing, and so I couldn't like do it right away, but these are it. I just put on some black biker shorts. They're not really biker shorts, they're just spandex, but here is Legend's outfit. I put him in some checkered Vans, and then his outfit turned out so cute. I absolutely love it. I can't wait until I can do my biker shorts so I can fully match him, but I like this so much. I think I'm gonna make another video in a couple of months once it starts getting cooler so we can have a matching sweat outfit like this. So I have a couple of ideas about that, so stay tuned for that. The top splatter didn't really like turn out how I wanted it, but it's okay because it kind of looks cool how it is, like the big splotches down here, and then just the, I guess, little dots up here, and that's exactly how Legends turned out. So this is our outfit. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys try out this bleach dye, and if you get the Cat and Jack brand from Target to try this out, just know when you bleach it, it turns gray and not like the reddish color. There is some like red colors on the shirt, but they're not that noticeable. It's mostly black and gray, which is still ended up being a cute little look, you feel? And I'm rocking my peanut head today. I hope you guys like it because I love it. Today's video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so know when I upload. Stay connected. Tell them, say connect with us on all of our social media platforms. They're gonna be listed down below in the drop box as well as on the screen. Until next time, bye guys.